game, making
A plane of paper.
yeah, and we're gonna see who will make more distance. Okay, guys. So we're gonna make the plane right now. Then we're gonna throw it out of the window and see who will get more distance. Okay, guys. I'm done, guys.
Me too.
So do you want to start?
Yes.
Okay, you will start.
Yeah, throw it. One. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Let me see, where is it? Can you see it, guys? It's over there.
That's why you.
It's my time.
Can you catch the camera?
It's me.
Oops.
Where it goes.
Let me show you.
Don't drop the camera. Okay, manage?
Yeah, of course. See, where is it, guys? See? Damn. So, Ryan, of course, won.
Yes, I won.
You won only the first round. We're gonna be tied, or we're gonna be... we're gonna be tied, or you're gonna win.
Okay.
Okay, guys?
Okay.
So I'm gonna start now.
Okay. Okay. The church.
Pasta! Oh, damn it. I think I won this time.
It's behind the black thing over there.
See it, guys? There.
So I think I'm gonna win this round.
It's my turn. Maybe.
Maybe.
Let me the winter's so... it will not make anything.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh.
Let me see.
Oh. Yes, I won because
Where,
your
where?
paper is behind the black and my
Where?
paper is
No, it's
in
on the
front.
black. Where is it?
It's behind the black thing over there.
Hey, but yours where is where?
There.
Oh,
I won again. Yes.
yeah. You won again. So, victory is yours.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.